This is a look at this grass! Look at this grass! Rachel! Today, I am going to.
Okay, guys, sit down. Sit.
What is this?
Sit down. Sit here.
I'm not enjoying the news. Regent Park.
The cool kid.
A video. Henry, we should go. This is a different room. What? This is a different room. Look at it.
Next stop, Monroe Street.
You understand?
The Mercedes Benz shuttle. This is a bridge. It's a Mercedes.
Are you okay? Yeah? What's wrong?
Look out!
I want to make way.
Look out and look out here. There is cars
It's my base.
that came on the future in this building. So there. So in this futuristic one, we could see some cars. We should see this. We should see that car that is there. Jack. Cheese. Was it APTR? Which
Unless they go upstairs and there's TTC pictures. There's TTC pictures upstairs, but there's nothing about it. It's free candy and everything.
oh my lord, did I see a Porsche?
Oh, so get us the food? We could go at Broadview station, we could go outside there's parties or weddings. One of them. We'll see what's on.
No, we shouldn't.
Please look right for traffic when exiting.
Oh. Where's it going? Oh yeah. I could see it was from Regent Park. Rego Park. I see some buildings that came from Rego Park. Rego Park. Sorry. Yeah, Rego Park. It might be Ford. Yes, it might be Ford. So it might be Ford. It might be Ford. Yes, it might be Ford. Let's go. Let's go. You should stay at my house like today.
Next stop, Broadview Avenue.
Cheese.
Cheese. I
See into the future, y'all.
Oh, I see some buildings that came from the future.
See the future.
Oh, don't look at the past. There is no future.
There is a future, ACN.
Yeah,
Then I'm gonna be looking in the future.
there is a future. There are buildings. There are buildings from the future. There are buildings. There are buildings from the future.
Stop it, sir.
Look into the future, guys. Look into the future.
And try to remember these, those those streetcars that we used to date were the future of streetcars.
And if I hear anybody say in school that you've been spitting on them doing that, you're gonna get punishment.
Okay. Okay.
Because you said that was a home thing, and you're doing what I
Okay.
do. No.
No.
Look
The
up.
police. Not the 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 police.
No
Are
standing.
you guys hungry?
Did I see police?
I ate
I
cereal.
asked if they wanted food, you don't have any. I asked them if they wanted food.
You better not drop that.
Okay. So I should see no technical difficulties. Oh, you are done.
You guys want me to put some chocolate in the backpack for you?
Okay, yes.
I can even eat that chocolate.
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 Chocolate. Let's look them up.
Chocolate. Chocolate. Chocolate.
Okay.
Yeah, I hear that chocolate. That more
My
chocolate
God.
like
Yeah.
SpongeBob.
Wait, is that
I
a
hear
meal?
that person screaming chocolate from
Chocolate.
SpongeBob.
Well, let them look up in YouTube. Let them look into the sky. Let them look into the sky. This is the best part.
Next stop.
This is the best part. This is the best part. See that? This is the best part. You don't even need it. Let's go waves. So
We're good.
holding this.
It's still 506. Go. I mean, no.
Please look right for traffic when
Garbage.
exiting.
Thank you.
How to fix my set?
What's wrong?
Whoa.
It's okay. We'll fix it when we get up. I think you gotta sit down.
Next stop. Gerard Street East.
We're in Chinatown.
Stop yelling.
Okay. We're in Chinatown. It's in my buses and us.
Please look right for traffic when exiting.
What's number time? Time.
Let them.
Do not leave. Do not leave. OTA. What is OTA?
Let them look.
What is
What are you speaking? What are you speaking?
What is Is that Scotiabank? But behind the Scotiabank logo is What is What is
Now we're moving.
What is What does he trying to buy mean? I don't know what he trying to buy.
Next stop.
Can we just run
Monroe
it?
Avenue.
The streetcar and this video. Because
Want some water?
right now we are at a region.
Me? Want me to buy some in the station? Yeah, okay.
Manga But on the right side, we can see Regent Park from Broadview Avenue.
All flavored jelly.
This is how he calls Regent Park as Regent Park. Got it? It's Regent. Hey, let them look over there. Can't look at my mom. That's why
Hey, how dare you?
That's why I look outside
Next stop,
because
Millbrook
I
Crescent.
don't want to look at your announcing. Millbrook Crescent. We're now at Millbrook Crescent. Yeah, what was you joking about?
Next stop, Wolfrey Avenue.
When I go to Ghost Space Station, I would meet Treaty. When I get to Ghost Space Station, I meet my second best friend, Treaty Planet. I will call him at I will call Trudy at university. I will call Trudy at university. I will call Trudy at
Please
university.
disregard for traffic on exit.
That was Obida. That's located in UBC. Actually, the extension here what is saved more communities. Saved more communities. And
One more stop, okay? One more stop.
I want the inside
The
car.
inside. You feel a bit sick?
Because it makes me feel sick.
Woozy, huh?
Rosie,
I want the outside.
Okay, we'll be out. One stop. One stop.
we'll be at
Just the motorcycle.
Oh, it's like a motorcycle?
No, she went on the motorcycle before.
You're not?
She likes the motorcycle.
You went on a motorcycle?
Rachel.
On the motorcycle.
Rachel, we are going one stop. I'm pressing the button. Pressing button. Oh yeah.
Adrian, sit. Oh, okay. You wanted to push.
Sitting.
There's a whole thing over here. And then I have
The
different
Dutch
wipes
pot.
for you guys.
What is the Dutch
I have antibacterial though.
jerk? Dutch.
Yeah, see?
Am I a
Still got your
jerk?
wish.
Am I a jerk?
Are you a what?
Am I a jerk?
Why are you saying that, Adrian?
Because
Hello.
that word.
Oh,
Because it's a Caribbean food word.
the Caribbean Dutch pot. Where do you see jerk?
Right there.
Where?
Right there.
Oh, jerk. They mean jerk chicken.
Yeah.
They mean jerk chicken, silly Billy.
Okay.
Jerk chicken.
Jerk chicken.
Yeah, not are you a jerk?
Yeah, they sell jerk chicken.
Not jerk chicken, Adrian. Not are you a jerk?
That's jerk kitchen.
Yeah, jerk chicken. Jerk chicken.
That's
sweetheart.
jerk kitchen,
Jerk,
right?
jerk chicken. Yeah.
Let's leave it in this.
That isn't.
Almost there, Kilo.
We're almost
We just
there.
gotta turn.
It just
Let's leave it.
gonna be. We're gonna be soon past
Don't like
the
it?
Broadview
Bye.
every
streetcar.
person their thoughts.
I mean, since you were back, it's all
It still says stop because I requested it
Next stop, Broadview subway station.
because I'm getting off. Multiple changes. Stop confused. So some buses maybe 67 will stop at the street. Should they make a copy of
Hold hands with Amy.
the transit
Gracie, I can hold your
episodes?
Come on.
Come on.
Duck chicken.
Hold Adrian's hands.
Hey, don't make me when hit into stuff.
Roar, roar, roar. Ay, ay, ay. Ay, ay, ay. Ay, ay, ay.